Hi, I'm Linda from Escape Trailer in Chilliwack, British Columbia, here to give you a summary on the newest member to the Escape Trailer family, the E23. It still features the one-piece fiberglass shell that we're known for, but it has a special feature including the aluminum frame, which makes it lightweight and strong. The E23 comes standard with these beautiful thermal acrylic windows, which you can open up to 90 degrees for maximum ventilation. Plus, they have integrated blackout shades and bug screens. This unit will come standard with two 200-watt solar panels on the roof, plus two 100 amp hour lithium batteries. Now keep in mind, you can upgrade both of those options. The E23 will come standard with this manual awning, or you do have the option to upgrade to a power awning with a built-in LED light strip. This Lippert solid step has been installed for added safety and folds out of the way for travel. Let's pop inside the trailer and take a look around. Here we are inside our beautifully appointed E23. Currently we have two different options for interiors. One is the contemporary interior, which features white cabinets. The other is the maple interior with a warm wood grain. In this particular model here, this is a prototype for some new colors that we're trying out for cabinets, which we hope to make available in the very near future. However, you do get your choice of several different flooring selections, several different choices for countertop selections, and several different choices for fabrics for your cushions. You're also welcome to customize those options by selecting your own for an upgraded fee. And you can contact us for more details on that. And here is our large L-shaped dinette area, which can also be converted into an extra sleeping area. Plus there's ample storage underneath the dinette bench towards the rear here. All of your electronics are going to be located in the driver's side dinette bench area. All right, and this is the optional sink, which is 13 by 13 by about 8 inches deep. The standard sink would be a stainless steel one that's about 11 by 13 by 5 inches deep. The E23 comes standard with this 7 cubic foot absorption fridge, which you can run off of electricity or propane. There are two separate areas, both for the refrigerator and for your freezer compartment. You do have an option to upgrade this particular model to a compressor fridge, which would be 6 cubic feet, and that you'd be able to run off of your batteries. As you can see, the E23 comes equipped with ample storage both in the lower cabinet area and in the overhead cabinet area. You requested a quiet air conditioner, and we heard you. We've installed this Houghton air conditioner in this particular model, and you can barely hear it running at all. So the E23 comes standard with a flush mount 2-burner cooktop. As you can see here, we were able to install a 3-burner cooktop with a propane oven below. Another option for you to select from would be a convection microwave or a standard microwave installed below the standard 2-burner or 3-burner cooktop. And here's our fully functioning wet bath in the E23. All right, you asked and we listened. Our E23 features a queen walk-around bed. Plus, we also have a different layout which features twin beds as well. In this particular model, we have installed a king-size bed specifically for those sprawling sleepers. Here we are inside the E23, featuring the warm and cozy maple interior. In this particular model, we have installed the queen size bed. As you can see, you can walk right around it. on both sides. On either side of the bed, it features your own nightstands with ample storage in that area as well. And underneath the bed, there's also lots of storage, which you can access by opening up these two doors, or you can also lift up the mattress itself, which is on two gas struts. All right, so that's just a brief showcase on this beautiful model. We're really proud of it. Keep in mind there are a dozen of other options for you to choose from.